Tired of endless scrolling through your Instagram DMs? Let's clear that inbox. Instagram doesn't have a magical delete all button, sadly, but don't worry, I've got workarounds. First, let's look at deleting individual chats. Tap on the conversation you want to remove. Now, press and hold any message within that chat. You'll see a menu pop up. Tap Unsend. This removes your message from both your inbox and the recipient's. To delete the entire conversation from your side, go back to your main DM inbox, then long press on the conversation you want to remove. A menu will appear. Tap Delete. This only removes the conversation from your inbox. The other person will still see it on their end. Now, for a faster but riskier way, third-party apps. There are apps that claim to delete multiple messages at once. However, use these with extreme caution. Many are scams or can compromise your account security. Do your research, read reviews, and understand the risks before connecting any third-party app to your Instagram account. A safer alternative is to restrict accounts you no longer want to interact with in their profile. Tap the three dots in the upper right corner, then select Restrict. This moves their messages to your message requests and limits their visibility. You can then ignore or delete these message requests without the other person knowing you've seen them. So, while a one-click solution doesn't exist, these methods will help you manage your Instagram DMs more efficiently. Remember to prioritize your account security.